All right, man. No cute music or anything this time, man. So look, I clicked on a video link that said Kansas City pastor gets choked by spouse, and I was like what, the lady choked the man or what? So I clicked on it, and it's a black lady pastor who gets choked by her husband, but it didn't say anybody was black or anything. It was just a picture of a church, and it said this link on it. And I click on it, and the problem that I'm having with it is all the stuff over here in the sidebar. And I clicked 3 links past this, and everything in the sidebar is all stories like this. Like this girl here, wearing some kind of Caucasian mimicking hair hat here, thinking she is beautiful, putting herself in a wrong situation somehow. But she gets assaulted at T.G. Jake's place, and that guy's a known queer. And at this Potter's House place in Fort Worth, Texas, right? So that's one thing. Now I came back 3, so I actually do have a Trump story. But then you got this Kansas City woman stabbed and set on fire by her boyfriend. You can see her wearing a fake Caucasian mimicking hair hat too. Then you see Gospel City singer James Hall living a double life in the black church. And this, God knows what the hell is that? So what the hell is that? And the other girl got, just got a pile of hair thrown up on top of her head. Then you got this motherfucker. He's a church musician charged with killing his girlfriend's 3-year-old daughter. People. All right, it just goes. It goes pages and pages and pages. Hey, I don't want to hear nothing about some Catholic priest over in Europe somewhere that molested some fucking kids or something once. I don't want to hear about that shit. People are all up on the top of that shit now. Who's doing something about this? These people got a problem. Y'all got a problem. Y'all need to come to terms with it and admit the fact that y'all got a fucking problem. Look at this shit. It just keeps going and going and going. Look at this. Pastor Kenneth Adkins guilty on 8 charges of sexual abuse. Look at this motherfucker. I'm getting sick of shit like Eddie Murphy's Secrets Exposed. I don't even want to click on that. I love Eddie. I ain't gonna have that. I'm not even gonna click on that. I might find out some shit later, but I ain't gonna even try to look at that. You got to leave that alone. Black comedians can't seem to get out of the damn business without having something on them. Either, somebody's running down the street on fire, or, Cosby here with his problems and shit and everything. And just, it's disgusting. I could name you 10 of them, but I ain't going to do it right now. But I'm going to leave Eddie alone. Mom's boyfriend beats her 8-year-old son to death with a hammer. People. Look at this motherfucker here. He's got a weave stuck in here, his hair. He's got fucking put some mops in his hair or some shit. This little girl this old, they done weave shit into her hair. It's gonna rip her hair out. She gonna have to wear something fake forever. Like this chick right here. She got something fake on her damn hair forever. Is Bishops T.G. Jakes and ex-lesbian false prophetess Juanita Byram reunite after 20 years? Why would a gay man and a lesbian reunite? Is this some show they used to have? I don't even know if I should click on that. Mother of 2 killed for tax return money. This girl right here, she's a mother of 2, wearing some Caucasian mimicking hair hat again. And this group of people right here killed her for her tax return money. People, you got a problem. This I think is the thing I clicked on right here. This is this couple. It seems like every 2 weeks this lady's hair all of a sudden, boom, and yeah, boom. And you look at this dude. What's up with that? Look at the melon on this guy. Anyhow, killed by her husband. So, I had it backwards whenever I even clicked on the thing, on the original thoughts. But here's a gay guy. He's finally found a girlfriend. No, he's not. He took a picture hugging a white girl. Ex-gay prophet body slams church members. This son bitch starts attacking church members. Ex-Navy sailor gets 40 years in prison for killing a transgender woman that he had sex with. He killed her. Florida mom of 17 kids back in court demands once again somebody needs to pay. Pay for what? Like 12, 15 kids ago, maybe you should have had your tubes tied? Pay for what? A bottle of super glue to close your twat shut? What kind of crazy ass shit is this? And look at this fade she's got going on with this. Anyhow, somebody's got to pay. Somebody need to pay. I can't keep my legs closed, and I done had 7 baby daddies, but somebody got to pay. What the hell kind of shit is going, people? And this is just, look at her. She's just got a sincere look on her face, like somebody got to pay for my chillins. North Carolina man stabbed to death ex-girlfriend for breaking up with him. Well, ain't that some shit? Sexuality abuse and hypocrisy in the black church. James Hall, Andrew Caldwell. Look at these people. Look at this shit. Who the hell do they think they are? They think they're something. Just acting a fool. This is the one I clicked on right here. Kansas City church elder charged in wife's death. Well, it didn't even say it was wife's death. It said, because I thought she choked him or something. Caught him in his sleep. He cheated on her or some shit. I don't know. I clicked on the link. It came up right as I clicked on YouTube. Just the main thing off of it, So, but you look at her, and I want you to notice something. She done lost all her hair. She can't even tie anything onto it anymore. But she's got this, and that ain't nothing but a mop. It don't look like nothing but a mop on her head. But look at this dude here. He choked her ass to death. Threw her in a field. Dallas pastor found dead in motel room. From somebody didn't even spell check their stuff. From an apparent drug overdose. Look, man, they got a Green Mile over here dead. And his wife. You can see she cornrowed it, and then she ties shit in her hair too. Y'all got a problem, man. Y'all got a problem. Y'all sit here and y'all just smile while y'all got a problem going on. And y'all need to fix that problem. Y'all need to come to terms with it. Y'all need to come out in the open with it big time. Y'all need to quit saying y'all are, Egyptians and y'all are Hebrews and y'all this. No. Y'all are people from West Africa we brought over here just not too long ago. And if you look at the people over there, they ain't got a lick of sense. Now, y'all got some Jew daddy admix in you now, and some Caucasian learning and schooling up, bringing up and everything. And, it's clear. Half y'all know what the hell's going on. The other one ain't got a goddamn clue what's going on. And y'all need to fix yourself. You look at this. I can just go page and page and page of this, and I ain't going to do it. It gets sick. But all these people, stabbed to death and set on fire and shit and everything, all this stuff going on. I'm sure there's incredibly bad things in the news, but it don't add up to this. Like 58% of the crime is created by black people, and they ain't but 12% of the population. If most of it's happening by the males, that's 6% of the population. 6% of the crime created 58% of it. 6% of the people. Does that make any sense to anybody? Somebody needs to fix this shit. We don't want to have to come at it a different way. Y'all need to come at it the way that you understand. There's a problem and do something about it. You got to quit raising up your kids as racist and hateful people. You got to quit raising them up thinking that gangster is good, that not being able to speak correctly is cool. All this shit y'all got going on, it is destroying your society in America and your face in the face of the world. And worse than that, you're going around saying you're Hebrews and Egyptians and bullshit, and it just makes y'all look like a pitiful people that just needy as hell, grasping at straws and shit. Hey man, we'll help you if you ask for it. I swear. Look at what white people done already for black people. Billions a year spent in Africa trying to help them. If you come clean. But y'all need to do something together. Something that explains the fact that you know something's going on and you're going to fix it. Because, damn. That's all I got on it, man. I don't want to go no more.